My poor Griddle. This is our third wave of rain and flooding and mudslides. And there was a road up there. It's buried under mud now and debris. They've patched up that a little bit. We have a pond, which you've never seen before. It only shows up this time of year. And it's filled with mud. It's the highest I've ever seen it. And we were trapped several times this week by rain and mudslides. Let's get back under cover because it's cold. It's a cold rain. Anyway, yeah, our roads have been buried under boulders and mud, and there's been flooding in town, and this all started exactly 5 years after the deadly mudslides last time. And we had the Thomas fire, and just before that those mudslides. And plants haven't really had a chance to root themselves deep enough to keep the hillsides intact. Can't really tell, but there's a lot of, there's one you can kind of tell. A lot of scars from mudslides in the distance, all over the mountains. New mudslides. Like this, right there. Flying across the road and right into that building and then down into the pond. We're safe here because we're nicely situated on top of the mountain, but a valley on either side, and things go downhill from us. Anyway, that's what's going on. No griddling today or tomorrow, but we got rain and we've needed it. The drought's over, yay! So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye!